Welcome back to Autoscope. According to reports, the 2026 Skoda Motorhome is a cutting-edge camper van made for adventurers and van life aficionados. The idea stresses combining efficiency, comfort, and contemporary technology. Key features suggested: external shape, a smooth, aerodynamic design that blends fuel economy and stability. Roomy and adaptable interior, furniture that is interchangeable and modular. Quality parts and clever storage to make the most of the available area. A refrigerator, microwave, and induction stove are examples of complete kitchen appliances. A big bed plus a sofa that doubles as an extra bed provide for a comfortable sleeping arrangement. A sink, a small shower, and modern fixtures make up a smart bathroom. Modern technology and security include advanced information systems, 360-degree cameras, and driver assistance devices. Examples of environmentally friendly features include a solar panel option and a hybrid engine. Effective strategy for managing water resources. Large water storage, extra power storage, and solar charging are examples of off-grid features. Offers for comfort and entertainment. The advanced infotainment system offers a sizable touchscreen for entertainment, navigation, and car control. Seamless smartphone contact. The top-notch audio system that offers a captivating entertainment experience. Internet access. Wi-Fi is included for mobile connectivity. Power outlets and USB ports for charging electronic devices. Climate control system ensures a comfortable environment in any weather by providing effective heating and cooling. LED illumination that can be adjusted to produce a cozy atmosphere is known as ambient lighting. One of the additional safety features is a security camera system to keep an eye on the vehicle's surrounds. Automated parking assistance and parking sensors. Qualities that encourage outdoor recreation. More shade is added outside the car with a retractable